and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing the intake manifold, this thing here. We're going to install the new crankshaft bolt down there with the help of this little tool. The teeth here will mesh with the flex plate to prevent the crankshaft from turning while trying to install the crankshaft bolt. We'll try to get other things done today, but it just depends on time. We also, last couple of weeks, we had test fitted the HVAC box to make sure the lines would clear there in that little area, and we have clearance, so we're good with that. Stay tuned and we may be able to get other things done. We'll see. All right, so we have Pony down there trying to install that tool in the place of the starter so that we can change the crankshaft bolt. You can see him in there. Alright, so let's show you what we got done so far. We got the intake manifold on, and we've tried to kind of assemble the harness a little bit, but the fuel line that used to be in this area kind of got caught. So we had to kind of remove the fuel tank. We no longer have a fuel tank down here. See the straps? Fuel tank is gone. So now, starting on one project, we had to end that one and start on another one. But so when we took off the fuel line and we moved it and pulled it out under, it started leaking fuel. So we hurried up and tried to get under the tank to remove that. But as soon as we clipped it, there was no fuel. So that was really weird. Anyway, this is how far we got. And I guess this is going to be all that we're doing today. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll see you soon.